let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 ECC RDIMM. If you're building or upgrading a server or workstation, especially for demanding tasks like AI, video editing, or running virtual machines, memory is key. This NEMIX RAM module boasts a massive 96 gigabytes capacity, utilizing the latest DDR5 technology. What does that mean for you? Faster speeds, greater bandwidth, and improved overall system performance. This particular module runs at 6,400 MHz, which is seriously quick, and it's a registered DMM or RDIMM, which is crucial for server environments. RDIMMs have a register that sits between the memory controller and the DRAM chips, buffering the signals and allowing for greater stability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. The ECC, or error correcting code, is another vital feature for servers. ECC memory detects and corrects single-bit errors, preventing crashes and data corruption. This is non-negotiable for any system handling critical data. NEMIX RAM is positioning themselves as specialists in enterprise storage RAM, and this module seems to fit that bill. It's compatible with Supermicro X14 SBW-F motherboards and optimized servers like the SIS 112B, WR, and others listed. Always double-check compatibility with your specific motherboard before purchasing, but the list provided gives you a good starting point. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, and while that's true in most cases, always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. Make sure your system is powered off and unplugged before you start fiddling with the internals. NEMIX RAM also backs their memory with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a huge plus. It shows confidence in their product and gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. They also highlight their IT support staff, which can be invaluable if you run into any compatibility or performance problems. So, who is this memory for? It's ideal for anyone building or upgrading a server or high-end workstation that needs a lot of reliable, high-performance memory. Think AI developers, video editors, scientific researchers, or anyone running demanding server applications. The 96 gigabytes capacity allows you to handle large datasets and complex workloads without bottlenecks. While it might be overkill for a basic home computer, if you're serious about performance and reliability in a server environment, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 ECC RDIMM is definitely worth considering. The combination of high speed, large capacity, ECC protection, and a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.